Hi friends, today we're going to talk about changes. Now remember, we've been talking all week about how innovations change things, and all last week. Now, when we look at changes, we can look at lots of different things. Today we're going to look at phones, and your activity is going to look like this in Canvas. And it says, read the green box, then answer the questions. You have two questions down here. You have a question and then a space. This question mark is a space to write. And this question, and you have a space to write. And you're going to type your answers to your questions. So here's your information. The pictures above are telephones. As you can see, they look very different throughout history. First question, do these telephones look different from the telephone that you use today? So this one says 1876. This one says 1960. This one says 1990. Imagine if there was a box down here that says 2020. Does our phone look different? It does. So here, you're answering this question. Do these telephones look different from the telephone that you use today? You're going to say yes. Tell me how they look different. Give me an explanation. How does your phone look different from this one, or this one, or this one? Think about the phones your parents have, or that your family has. How do the phones today look different? That's your first question. Then you have a second question. And it says, do you think that telephones will look different in 10 years from today, and why? So we pretended there's a 2020 box here. It would have a cell phone. And you told me why they look different. Pretend there's another box out here where we wouldn't have any space, but pretend there's another box out here. It says in 10 years. So that would be in the year 2030. And you would be 17 or 18 years old. Do you think the cell phones are going to look different? Do you think our phones will be different in 10 years? And I want you to tell me why you think that. Why do you think they're going to change? I can give you a little hint. These two phones were very different, and they were only 30 years apart. And we are now we're 30 years from this one now. And you'll be 40 years from that phone in 2030. Think about how they might change. And you're going to write that here. So you have two questions to answer. Type one sentence for each one. I don't want just a yes or no answer. I do want a sentence that tells me how your phone looks different and how you think phones are going to be different in 10 years from now. All right? Good luck today, friends.